Welcome! If you're looking to give your Discord app a fresh, sleek look with the new Ash mode, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step to enable Ash mode on Discord for your PC, making your chat experience more comfortable and stylish with just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once Discord is open, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to them, there's a small gear icon. That's your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Now that you're in the user settings menu, look at the list on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Appearance. Click on Appearance to open up all the visual customization options Discord has to offer. Here's where the magic happens. In the Appearance menu, you'll see several theme choices. With the latest update, Discord now offers 4 main themes: Light, Ash, Dark, and Onyx. To enable Ash mode, simply click on the option labeled Ash. You'll notice the background of your Discord app instantly changes to a smooth, mid-gray tone with crisp white text, giving your interface a modern and balanced look that's easy on the eyes. That's it. You've just enabled Ash mode on your Discord app. This new theme is perfect if you want something softer than the classic dark mode, but not as bright as light mode. It's a great way to personalize your Discord experience and make long chat sessions more comfortable. If you ever want to switch things up, just head back to the appearance settings and try out the other themes. Discord's new update makes it easier than ever to customize your app exactly how you like it. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your new Ash mode and happy chatting.